Vitamins to control anxiety. We all experience anxiety sometimes. It's a natural response to stress, a feeling of worry or fear that prepares us to face a threat. But for many people, anxiety becomes chronic, disrupting daily life and impacting overall well being. The constant feeling of being on edge can be exhausting. It can lead to trouble sleeping, difficulty concentrating, and even physical symptoms like headaches and stomachs. But there's good news. Research shows that what we eat can significantly impact our mood and anxiety levels. By incorporating certain nutrients in your diet, you can actually help your body manage stress and promote feelings of calm. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Consult a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Let's explore 7 key nutrients that can act as powerful tools in your anxiety fighting arsenal. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Many people with anxiety suffer from a B1 deficiency. When you are stressed or feeling threatened, your brain uses up B1 stores to produce energy. This can lead to a vicious cycle as anxiety depletes B1 and low B1 levels can worsen anxiety symptoms. Eating sugary foods, refined flours, and drinking too much caffeine can all deplete B1 levels. These foods cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, further stressing the body and brain. Top up your B1 reserve by incorporating foods like nutritional yeast, sunflowers, pasture-raised eggs, and wild fish in your diet. Nutritional yeast is particularly concentrated in B vitamins, making it a good choice for a sprinkle on meals or snacks. Probiotics. These friendly bacteria living in your gut play a crucial role in mood regulation. They produce beneficial neurotransmitters like serotonin, which help regulate mood and sleep. Unfortunately, antibiotics, artificial sweeteners, and non organic products can harm these beneficial bacteria. Antibiotics, while necessary for fighting infections, can wipe out both good and bad bacteria in your gut. Artificial sweeteners can disrupt the delicate balance of gut bacteria, and pesticides on non organic produce can harm these microbes as well. To boost your gut health and support healthy mood, focus on consuming fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and yogurt. These foods are naturally rich in probiotics and can help replenish your gut with good bacteria. Vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency is linked to trouble sleeping and high cortisol levels, the stress hormone. When cortisol levels are chronically elevated, it can contribute to anxiety symptoms. Sunlight exposure is the best way to get vitamin D. Our bodies naturally produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. However, during winter months or if you live in an area with limited sun, consider taking a vitamin D3 supplement, but always consult with your doctor first. Vitamin D3 is most bioavailable form for humans. Magnesium and potassium. These powerhouses contribute to managing stress and neurotransmitter production. Magnesium plays a crucial role in activating calming neurotransmitters like GABA, gamma aminobutyric acid, while potassium helps regulate nerve impulses and muscle function. A deficiency in either mineral can lead to anxiety, insomnia, and brain fog. Signs of magnesium and potassium deficiency can include anxiety, irritability, muscle cramps, fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Boost your magnesium and potassium intake by eating plenty of leafy greens like kale, spinach, and Swiss chard. Avocados are also a great source of both minerals. You can consider electrolyte powders containing potassium citrate and magnesium citrate for an extra boost. Passionflower tea. Feeling jittery? Cut back on caffeine. Caffeine can worsen anxiety symptoms by stimulating the nervous system. Instead, try a cup of calming passionflower tea. This herb is known to increase GABA, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation. Passionflower tea may also have mild sedative effects, helping to ease anxiety and promote better sleep. Ashwagandha. Finally, we have ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb that helps your body adapt to stress. Adaptogens work by regulating the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis (HPA), the body's stress response system. Studies show that ashwagandha can lower cortisol and stabilize blood sugar, ultimately promoting a calmer state of mind. Ashwagandha may also help improve sleep quality and reduce symptoms of depression. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, play a crucial role in brain health and mood regulation. Include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines in your diet to boost omega-3 intake. Consider supplementing with fish oil or algae-based omega-3 supplements to ensure adequate EPA and DHA levels. Lifestyle changes. Reduce intake of stimulants like caffeine and replace them with herbal teas like passionflower or chamomile to promote relaxation. Engage in regular physical activity such as yoga or walking outdoors to reduce stress and improve mood. Practice mindfulness techniques, deep breathing exercise, or meditation to calm the mind and reduce anxiety symptoms. Prioritize quality sleep by establishing a consistent bedtime routine and creating a conducive sleep environment. Including these vitamins, minerals, and lifestyle changes in your daily routine can significantly alleviate anxiety symptoms and promote overall well-being. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplemental regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or taking medication. By addressing these root causes of anxiety and nurturing your mind and body, you can experience lasting relief and improved quality of life. Until next time, take care.